Here we have the given question is so that cube root of unity is an abelian group under multiplication. Now let's start to solve this question. Cube root of unity means x cube equals to 1 or x cube minus 1 equals to 0. A cube minus b cube पे इसे break करेंगे, then a minus b means x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. Then one of the root is x minus 1 equals to 0, so x equals to 1, and here x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. Then x equals to minus 1 plus minus root 3 iota means upon 2. Then x equals to minus 1 plus root 3 iota upon 2, comma x equals to minus 1 minus root 3 iota upon 2. So the value of x is equals to 1 comma omega square. This is omega and omega square. Now we make table for this. So x 1 omega square 1 omega square. We have given with respect to multiplication. Then 1 into 1 1 into omega 1 into omega square. The omega square 1 into omega and this is omega square. Now omega into omega square, omega into omega square, omega cube equals to 1 होता है. So omega into omega square, so it will become 1. Omega square into omega cube, तो 1 और ये omega. Now G1 closure property let a comma b belongs to G, then a into b, because with respect to multiplication given है, a into b equals belongs to G. Closure satisfied. Here we can see all the entries in this table belongs to G, so closure satisfied. Now G2 associative property let a comma b comma c belongs to G, then a into b into c equals to a into b into c. So a b c equals to a b c, hence associativity satisfied. Now third property, existence of identity. From the above table, this table we can see 1 is identity, because 1 into 1 1 into omega 1 into omega square, then so omega square. So a into 1 equals to 1 into a equals to a. So identity exists. Now fourth property, existence of inverse. Let 1 inverse equals to 1. Now omega inverse equals to omega square, because we know that omega cube equals to 1 or omega square equals to 1 upon omega. So omega square equals to omega inverse. Omega square inverse equals to omega. So inverse is satisfied. Inverse is satisfied. Now fifth property, commutative property. commutative property, let A comma B belongs to G, then A into B equals to B into A. So commutative is satisfied, so G comma star is an abelian group under multiplication. Proved. Thank you for watching this video.